Na mental block ako, day. Maraming nangyari, maraming nawala, pero hindi ko siya nakuha, so hindi siya para sa akin. Shout out nga pala, Kimi!
You don't even know me like that.
Ayan, so what is up you guys? It's your girl Maya. We're back again with another YouTube video, and for today's video, as you guys can see from the title down below, I am officially back. So aside from doing a life update video, this video will serve as my comeback video after being inactive for such a long time. So it has been 8 months since my last upload, although I uploaded a video recently which is yung volleyball vlog, ayan. But technically, it has been 8 months since my last upload and it has been more than a year since my last sit-down video. So within those months, maraming nangyari, maraming nawala, pati yung ads ko nawala, natanggal ako sa YouTube Partner Program. And the main reason kung bakit ako naging inactive sa YouTube is because nanakaw ang aking cellphone. Shout out nga pala sa nagnakaw ng cellphone ko. Hindi ko sure if may nakakakilala pa sa akin, pero doon sa mga solid na viewers ko ay uusapan natin yung mga ganapan recently sa buhay ko. Tayong lumayo, ayan, nakikita naman natin sa aking bagong backdrop ang mga sash. So pag-usapan natin yung aking Miss Maria Cristina Baloy 2023 journey. I actually got home one of the crowns, which is ang Miss Maria Cristina Baloy Ecotourism crown. This is the crown, ayan. And this is the sash though. Ayan. May nakalagay na Miss Maria Cristina Baloy Ecotourism 2023. Aside dito sa dalawa, nakuha ko din yung mga minor awards. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I do have 7 minor awards. And, of course, cash prize. And susuotin ko na itong crown all throughout this video para aesthetic. Isa sa mga pinaka-di ko malilimutang part ng pagsali ko sa Miss Maria Cristina Baloy na pageant is because first time gumawa ng isang land-up couture. So, ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa ko. Ayan. So, ako mismo yung nagtahi niyan, and ang mas mahirap na part is tinahi ko siya gamit lang ang kamay kasi nasira yung aking sewing machine. Maraming hindi nakapaniwala na ako yung nagtahi nun, pero yes po, ako po mismo ang nagtahi nun because as you guys all know, before my channel became Your Girl Maya, I was formerly known as Maya DIY. If fan ka ng mga thrift flip videos, I do have a lot in my channel. Ayan, check nyo na lang dyan. Share ko lang din, during the coronation night, nung tinawag na yung top 5, that was very weird because nung nakatayo na ako dun, di naman ako kinakabahan. Pero wala akong naririnig, like hindi ko naririnig yung audience, hindi ko naririnig yung MC. So, nung binasa niya sa akin yung tanong, Diyos ko, day, na mental block ako, day. Hindi ko na narinig yung buong question, pero ang hindi ko makakalimutan na word dun sa question niya is yung word na transformational leader. Nakaupo sa harapan ko yung barangay captain namin. So, yung naging sagot ko is, parang I cited him as an example and then our barangay. And I was like satisfied with my answer, but I do know that I could do better if narinig ko lang ng maayos yung question. Kasi iba yung kaba, parang nakakabingi yung kaba. But anyways, nakuha naman natin yung isa sa mga major crowns. So, also, I uploaded a video of me being interviewed during the pageant and it actually went viral. It has, I think, 944,000 views.
Young Loki Lansona Kao Nanjao Mo Paro Darso Pageant. Born Barangay No Mayalam.
Are you still single? No. Oh, you're in a relationship? Yes. He's here now? Yes. Baka gusto mo i-shout out. Okay ka, this is your chance. Yeah? Shout out to me, I mean.
It's you.
Fun fact lang, di naman kasi kami open. Pero, itinanong kasi sa akin ng MC na parang, are you single? And I was like thinking, oh my God, alam nga naman na i-deny ko siya, nanonood yung parang whole family niya dun. Tapos, nandun naman yung family ko. So, parang sinabi kong I'm not anymore single. And then, tinanong pa ako ng MC nga kung pwede ko ba dang i-shout out yung person. So, I actually said, shout out to my MVP instead of saying shout out to PJ Libot because Diyos ko Lord, nanonood yung papa ko and I was very nervous at that time because hindi niya alam that I have a boyfriend. Although yung mom ko alam naman niya. Maraming comments na sana all, ganun. Sana all daw hindi dinedeny. Sana all daw proud and so on and so forth. By the way, ito yung trophy. Ayan. It's very cute. Ayan siya. Sorry for my nails though, but yeah, ang cute ng trophy. Yun, pang thumbnail. So next naman nating pag-uusapan is ang aking academic journey. So for those of you who do not know, I actually recently graduated from MSU IIT. I took up Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies and I finished with flying colors. So I actually graduated magna cum laude and my final GPA is 1.26. So 5 points na lang para maging summa cum laude. Pero hindi ko siya nakuha, so hindi siya para sa akin. So I actually had 2 medals. Ito yung first na medal na ipapakita ko sa inyo. This was from College of Arts and Social Sciences. Ayan, it does have my name in it. And may nakalagay na magna cum laude. Ayan. Yung next naman na medal is galing siya sa institute. So sa IIT talaga siya nanggaling. Ayan, it has the logo of IIT. And may naka-engrave sa likod na magna cum laude. Ayan, ayaw mag-zoom. Ayan. And I do have this certificate from the College of Arts and Social Sciences. Ayan, which states that I am a Latin honor. And meron ditong diploma case na wala namang lamang diploma. So, ayan, shout out sa MSU IIT. Baka naman, pwede ko na makuha yung diploma and TOR ko dahil mag-a-apply na ako ng work. Anyways, so 2 days kasi yung graduation namin. Merong recognition day and merong graduation proper day. So, dun sa recognition day, ang mangyayari is, dun ibibigay lahat ng mga awards, both academic and extracurricular. Parang ganun siya. Parang dinivide into 2 kasi sobrang daming gagraduate and baka hindi magkasya sa gym. Ganun. But my parents weren't able to make it. Ang isinama ko na lang is si PJ kasi wala naman siyang ginagawa. So, siya na lang din yung naging guardian ko that day. And then, during the graduation day, mas lalong hindi sila nakapunta because they do have their work. So, si PJ pa din yung isinama ko and pinahiram pa nung ate niya sa akin yung damit na suot ko sa graduation. So, di ba? Shout out kay Ate Dingding. So, ayun, after graduation, kumain lang kami. He also gave me some flowers. And, what else? After nun, nag-relax na ako, guys. Like, nag-lay low lang ako sa mga works. Nag-lay low ako sa pagiging busy. Like, I slept more than 8 hours a day. Sinulit ko na yung time na nakakapag-rest ako kasi when I was doing my thesis, as in, nasa 2 to 3 hours lang yung tulog ko for like a month or 2. So, ayun, sinulit ko na. And then, ayun, gala here and there, laro here and there. Yun lang yung mga ganap ko ngayon. Pero yung goal ko is, by the start of 2024, I'm gonna be focusing more na on being a professional, being a young professional. So, mag-a-apply na ako ng work. I am currently working on my resume and my application letter. And ayun, sinusulit ko na lang din yung relaxation ko. Kasi it has been 2 months pa lang din naman since I graduated. So, parang super fresh pa. I deserve this break. I deserve the rest. I deserve 8 hours of sleep. I deserve less stress. Ganun. Okay, so let us now move on sa aking filing of candidacy for the SK dito sa aming barangay. So, I was supposed to run for SK chairman position but I decided na mag-SK counselor na lang muna because once kasi na nag-work na ako, naisip ko na baka di ko na mag-give yung full time ko dun sa pagiging SK chairman, which is ayoko namang ma-neglect yung responsibility ko as a chairman if I ever win. So parang I decided to run na lang as kagawad because you see, mas lesser yung burden and at the same time, I can still contribute to my barangay. Kimi! Contribute to my barangay! Today is October 18, so bukas na magsa-start yung campaign and the election will be on October 30. So that's 10 days of campaigning. So yeah, I do have like a lot of plans, especially that ako yung admin and social media manager ng page namin. So nakapag-edit na ako ng mga ipang upload ko. And at the same time, nakapag-print na din ako ng aking mga pamphlets. So ayan, shout out kay Ma'am Rodette. Thank you for letting me use your printer. And papakita ko lang sa inyo yung nilayout ko na tarpaulin na ilalagay ko mamaya sa waiting shed dahil baka maunahan ako ng iba. Huy, Kimi! Anyways, baka kasi ma-take up na yung space. Hindi na siya malagay. Malaki-laki kasi siya. So, ayan. Later, ilalagay ko na siya doon. Tada! So, ayan na yung aking FESLAC. So, inline doon sa SK elections, supposedly magkakaroon kami ng parang debate. So, yung lahat ng mga lineups and mga SK aspirants magkakaroon ng debate, kaya lang hindi siya natuloy. Pero I was looking forward pa naman to that because I think that debates are fun and you know, you get to know the candidates well, their platforms, or ano yung mga paninindigan nila, the reason why they ran for the position, and so on and so forth. Wait, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung aking pamphlet. So, ito yung magiging poster ko. Ayan siya. Tang! It does have my face in it and my name and some descriptions of me, and I do include in the future projects that I have for our beloved barangay. So, itong mga ganito is ididikit ko sa mga poste or sa mga tindahan kung papayag sila, ganun. And black and white lang siya para tipid sa ink. So, ayan, pag-usapan din natin yung aking business, which is La Orsuana. So, I temporarily stopped with my business because nasira yung aking sewing machine, as mentioned earlier. So, nasira siya, and then, hindi ko siya magamit. Hindi ko din alam kung paano siya i-troubleshoot. Ang dami ko nang ginawa. And hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya ipapaayos. So, I'm thinking of buying a new one na lang. Pero, sobrang memorable kasi sa akin yung first na sewing machine ko because yung machine na yun kasi is yung gamit ko when I was starting and when I bloomed into bulk orders. Kasi dati patahitay lang ko ng pakonting scrunchies. And until meron nang umu-order sa akin ng 100 pieces, 200 pieces, and then ako mismo yung tumatahi ng lahat ng yun. So, napaka-memorable para sa akin yung sewing machine, kaya I'm having a hard time letting it go. I'm planning na ipaayos ko na lang yung sewing machine ko and babalik na ako on track with my business. And marami na akong ideas in mind, marami na akong mga products na bala kong ibenta, and I'm planning na ipagpatuloy yung La Orsuana by 2024. Also, naglaylo din ako sa Instagram. So, as you guys all know, I am a product reviewer, and every now and then, tumatanggap tayo ng mga products from different brands, so mostly makeup and skincare, para i-review. But I actually stopped then because nung nawala yung phone ko, wala akong magamit na pang-upload. Being the vain I am, I do take a lot of pictures, I do take a lot of videos, I do love filming myself. Pero nung nawala yung phone ko, parang I took a break from social media na din. Yung followings ko bumaba from 11K, naging I think 8K na lang siya ngayon. But it's okay. So, I'm currently using this phone right now. So, binigay sa akin to ng kuya ko. Pero hindi ko masyadong bet yung camera niya. And nasira pa yung back na camera niya because of some reasons. So, yung mga magiging videos ko after this one is more on sit-down videos na lang din. Kasi yung front cam lang yung gumagana. But, I'm planning to buy a new phone. If hindi man nila ako bilhan, I'm going to be working na din siguro sooner or later, and yung first na sweldo ko will be allotted to my vlogging phone. And like I said, I'm back. Babalik na ako sa pag-YouTube. I'm gonna be uploading shorts. I'm gonna be uploading videos every week. I'm gonna be active na din sa TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. So ayan, I'm back on track. So, since nawala naman yung aking ads, I have to reapply for monetization. Babalik ulit ako sa 4,000 watch hours, and I know mahirap siya, pero I'm gonna try my best. Uunti-untiin ko na lang. I actually had my birthday recently. So, ayan, 23 na po ako. I'm physically active and I do play volleyball 3 times a week. So, ayun, dumami na din yung aking jerseys. And at the same time, I actually got my first MVP award. So, wait, papakita ko sa inyo yung trophy. So, ayan, I actually got my first MVP award. Hindi ako nakapaniwala that I was hailed as MVP kasi maraming magagaling dito sa place namin. But yeah, luck. And also, like I've mentioned earlier, meron na po tayong love of my life, which is si PJ. Ayan, PJ. So, we date a lot. Palagi kami nagkikita. Although he's also busy, we find time and we make time for each other. And I am legal sa side niya, so I also go there often. Ayan, chika-chika kami yung mom niya, yung mga ate niya, and so on and so forth. As I've said, by 2024, saseryosoin ko na yung aking job seeking. And excited ako mag-upload ng video na makikita nyo na si PJ. So, expect kayo ng mga couple content videos. And if you guys want to follow me on my social media, dito ang aking mga social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. So, ayan, that is it for today's video. That is for our quick catch-up session. Na-miss ko kayong lahat, and I hope na-miss nyo din ako. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get the latest updates from my latest videos. That is all. See you in my next video. Bye!